this is a This is a continuation to part 1 of the volcano experiment because we needed white vinegar, so here we have it. It looks like water, but it's white vinegar. And then we're gonna show you how to make it since we didn't show you last time. So pour it this
into that little pot.
no, into right here. So you fill it 3/4, okay? And then sorry guys. Okay, sorry. After you're done with that, okay, hold on. After you're done with that, you add a little bit of red. Ooh, that's a lot. It's gonna come out really red. Okay, give it to me. Oh, hold on. So then you press this lever, you pull it. Ooh. You pull it all the way to the back, and then leave it at the end so it could I don't want it to shake yet. Okay, it's locked. So then you fill this little cup with baking soda. Gotta be real careful. And are you guys ready? Hopefully this explosion is better. Hold on, we need to drop it. Let's just let it drop. Oh, okay, that's a lot more.
Whoa. That's all? About the balloon.
No, put it.
Okay, that was an exciting. I don't know. What should we do? Maybe we needed more baking soda.
Maybe not. Stop touching that vinegar.
Okay, guys, we're gonna refill it and everything. We're gonna try again because we put a little bit too much vinegar. Okay, it got a little bit messy, but let's try. How about instead of just shaking it, we just dump it in there? Okay, oh yeah, that looks better.
This is the secret.
Okay, let's just put a lot of baking soda.
The secret is a baking soda.
Okay, so it's not working the way we hoped it was. Oh, okay, like that. That's a lot better. Now more vinegar.
Oh! More vinegar!
Ooh.
It's gonna get so messy. More vinegar!
Let me tell you. Oh, okay, I didn't expect that.
How much do you think there is?
Okay, I think that's enough. There's powder everywhere on my hands, on the phone. I don't know if you can see it. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I will be seeing you next time we make a video. Bye.